Farida from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
And your name is?
Farid Ahmad, Sheikh.
Farid. Oh, okay. Yes, Farid.
Farid Ahmad. Sheikh, whenever I go outside, whenever the dog is urinating in the something else, in the walls or whenever I go through the near of the dog, I feel like some splashes has been splashed on me. So that my salah is always getting, I think I am impure, but I don't know this is OCD or this is that splashed or not.
Farid, do you have any certainty that what splashed on you is najis? Yes or no?
No, Sheikh. But the dog urinate only, I feel like splashed.
You feel, but do you see any traces of it?
No, Sheikh.
In this case, you have to ignore it, because the beauty of our religion is that we act and behave according to what we see and what we know, not on what we think or speculate. And this is why we have a rule that states certainty is not affected by doubt. So move on and don't pay any attention to such doubts.